social nipa ni si dan a odwe I mean extended family.
Yes.
We see if you no kase fishia na busua for do ni bi oba be den benya at least one room bi e ha bet no bi and nipa dey concentrate only on the nucleus family. Are you surprised that there were a lot of Nkwagu abonte no so? Those days are a beer, kubenya fie busua fie bi mu atena bi. And I said no offer bi and I said na bi will take care of that person. Simple ni parents na fi mu. I mean me papa and me mama na fi mu na me just 13 years. I'm wondering say me be here na bank. I don't know what would have happened to me. I was just 13. Within 2 months, I lost both parents.
Yes, and now I who are crying. Me the more for cry was saying me mama and papa china so person na me na young teacher. Person me more for support na. And I'm saying nee, I want
you know, at that time, my brother, my grandbrother Penyon would take care of me. He was also just even a messenger with school. He was just 23 years. And yet, you know, look at NMT. Say, yeah, now, KBA, a very different thing altogether. And TV and culture, and BB, and so adulterated. And so, I don't come and lead to all these kinds of things. You know. So maybe we have to go back to some of these roots. Now, you're here, maybe be a for no a train you. Maybe for example, said that making extended family, yeah, and can take care of Obia Kakaka, yeah, abandon. Or no nucleus family, no, or then the year in the man. So to me, yeah, society, no much me up building the safety nets, our home, a bit take care of, or more I can. By a day, I to build the safety nets, so you abandon, yeah, traditional families, you go for just a nucleus family, we see down now, the wall of family. Or then whatever happens to the neighbor, no, I mean, or next door neighbor, so, to me, how we can go back to those things.
Let's look at
your values and your manner. I bet you are saying, and so, share with those days communal labor. As a former MP, I saw those days in the Kakra. It is said that because a village be number say sebi MP ya jana ya say mumesi bi my na dia now I start wondering what is going on. What is going on? Then I happen to ban. And so those were the days nanka community na no boko na communal labor ya dia kwa ko because they know that they need you know to ma be kwa ko bobi. Now whatever contribution also mo year DC that there be no be see dia fa hon papa no but there be whatever mo do cruise be mo dey cruise so now you know mad yes ya mad yes ya and all this is but then with all this so-called modernization ono asi ne dan team we hu anase we nya adwene say me see
toilet
see if you home but almost almost see communal one bio and almost expect that aban bi free baby
anka bi kura ankra bi kura said okay said odona na ye de tikrom no wo kwa ankra bi kura and they was go betimi anka kwasi am but onye
yeah
otwa aban
yeah you see it will call yenkro no bebre a obakọ na school dan swapa obeto otwa the only thing community no are ready to contribute towards some abai o made e asor dan in the Caribbean, to say, Crabacona saw down your city for Nisi Ho, a be a mosque back Nisi Ho, and a year sent a friend Swan. And do we are.
You ever thought that I'm a boy, and I can't come in now, and
they need to say a bonds one for fair. But up my Caribbean, the parents in film, brilliant child. So maybe because the parents left him to Niska, you didn't go to school. Nobody will care in that community. Massacre, Cronasa, Imu. You be a year for fair my community, no be a bear, bonds for fair for what, yes.
My sister be na one say me, I know she acquired be Eastern region. Okay, no who knows, and how burning now on a number. And I'm so as much as Baba, name my mania, no pick up and down. Mo ni mo man o Germany man dey call we invest or we keep course okay the master no
it may be
it is o nkwada na nenam ho saa no ye hu o mo say obi na omunni nipa ne
do na because I'm of me ne unity here ye ma ye banko that's the reality ye ma ye banko gina street so say onye ye dem kura yi eye so me nya sure say fe na ye omo fe obi be ka say nya de omo fifi na so bibi na push dem afifie do ma beji na ho no because bisa ho say oba no matter if you say that you be ma oba betena abonte ho ana ti so ma oba me yesa ni ma no obi de wo ho
are you saying senti bra so say wono mo nsem wo bi ebe boa ma society ne yetimi
society ni na ye review hwe me ti see the main aim
na me ba na me hwe say eye ne ekoso ya na ekoye institutions mu ama ehon so indiscipline ne ade ekoso ho a obi agunani agunya
say nipa na dwe say de tie no before be enter in as the manager or as whatever or the same mentality no dey grow into question how ma what difference would that make what difference would that make because the values ni bibia na dwe no are polluted and as or think along those lines. Say ye fama nyame mentality no wa nyame beye mentality no wa why do you think say and they are appointing as a minister and as they are appointing as DC and they are appointing as the director general be a SNIT or Man FM? Why do you think that mentality need be finished? If you
see come in so mama
but ebraso say ye bedwe you better dream ye pa as a people.
O man no nyina na asafo no
man nyina do na we getting it wrong. As man became minister do na so ne menya but Koso. That is normal.
Koso.
After all, we are a fair scientists or case we are around.
We are saying
you kuno. Yes, I come up abo. No kuno na dog me bo. You kuno so be ka say we are there around. We are seeing a flat because that is no BF we are seeing a flat. For no because I didn't around no. Hey you go. We on the lighters I know me very social media ko ba ku say na mo say Africa ni beauty baby dream. Or say na mo say we are see grow tetia. Adena ade achi me da mo te baby achi. Da bi go copy o America. Na copy o Switzerland. Me copy o Switzerland no baby me da mo te baby team here. That's on the lighters. You see that I think that African, when we're switching to the Ghanaian.
Koso.
We are not thinking enough. Because we need say nyamia body mu no, baby or die be due adinti no. Natural resource bia here bia no. Yewo. Because of that ninti no, me who ne say affect your thinking levels.
You may be right.
Natural resource mentality, natural. But too many are ensure proud the dark cracky, or fin the dark cracky, and no pension man of Kosebi, and near I didn't 80 or so what.
Treat to a fair or come or train or the
yes,
or 20 man can
or 20 man can Kumas Akra Kumas Queen. President Kufuor started in Adaroma. NDC 8 years or more abandon years. Always chippings now. Contract no yet no chippings no grano. Abandon or council. Who is a sufuye?
Sufuye.
Chippings are born at Paygo. A sufu telling you say your assassin is so rich. Say I mean just look at that chippings can crown a sufi. It was the Manchinish Hamwa na Abba or Tunani for Hamwa na Abba. It's your bet is a portrait kuko. Oh, the difference between portrait kuko if you have
you know,
because it's a portrait kono de bia bibi opebia ya de mano.
Okay.
He end up being stupid. Portrait kono. Hey, o do pa yini fini cage na fa ni si ha funny down baba no gina home ko mbiku no kra obi gina ho sa on to the now one step kra. But if you akoko right from the word grad ni mame e board no nim say wa anya smarter. The man who ni mame no di na chi no. Ono na pom hozo.
Yes.
Na kroma eba.
Yes.
Na nkora ye to tie. Na you know they become smart. And I'm gonna be if you are beautiful. Otherwise, so per se, blonya do now to Fiaco, actually, na one china na do no before na before amantam na say mutu no na de chi no bia
Munya review.
munya ne bio
Kale ofi over pound
we pam ne sa so I think that is how that portray if you are domestic one is smarter than because they think
yes
better all this but as Africans or Ghanaians because the natural resources we feel say oh and after the think we need critical thinkers and say now what are the alternatives. Why should we be sitting here and thinking, say, since you're not honoring now, or children should be natural resource mentality. Natural one and Yamidman, we are not thinking outside the box.
Natural one,
no, I'm not saying so.
Okay.
Preserving our protecting and I said, no, some alternative in the same. But you shouldn't be new one here. Are you therefore surprised? And I started what is a channel for a day. Someone live in that natural resource mentality because oh yeah environment here and you're good for cocoa you know you concentrate on whatever but thinking come no almost say bibi o cocoa mu dia and yes you create the artificial environment I bet me I favor the growing of cocoa and they are doing it and creating that this is what we are not doing here now fact ya galamsey issues here ya ku sisi here I didn't know see ya ku
I didn't say ya ku
because we are not thinking we are not thinking to quote Dr. Kumbo or because a nation of talkers we talk we pay people to talk we pay people to complain but we don't pay people to think.
You think as they need almost
yes. It's the natural way you hunya manano okono a complain oh ye say nyam preserve no ye say nyam preserve no wa ukrum agogo edi na say ya na the order of the day and say fulani for
yes
and pharmacy
yes
no more repu no more say no that was the order of the day obi dream who said no ye hia nampie no and ye hia farmers no so no obi thinking outside the box kakra bi say yenko create baby kakra bi that is President Akufo-Addo Baye yenko create baby yemfa nampie ne yedai enko gu ho na gogo asante achimfo so nyoma sase fa nyoma fa ntokware tundwai
twa bodia export to be
ma bodia ni be boost wa ma fe ni yedai export bodia just somebody thinking outside the box instead of the normal way of complaining fulani for no we had DCs, we had all regional ministers, we had all this all over the years. Just one thought, simple solution. Let's say I solve a problem.
Yes.
Galamsey issues. Do we need the gold? Yes. We need the water. Yes. You hear your sass and say Bessay. Yes. You hear your family in Adiadi. You hear your cocoa. Cocoa. If you are cocoa, Mary, it will go to Mary.
Yes. I am free in home.
Yes. As a nation, highest acquire was about 1 million metric tons. President Kufuor time. As you say, cocoa board no share cocoa pie away. And JB, honorable you do so, I know she share their bar increase it. You to me, ye cocoa now because that's the natural thing. That's the one we know. You know, me cocoa for her, and 1 year, and I'm also assassinating to me ye cocoa. You know, 1 million tons in that cost. Then we have some small boys from IMF or World Bank or European Union. And they catch up and say, oh, woman, Korebi, say, Munga, you say to the cocoa and grind the young top.
Child abuse.
Because of ABC, AB credit came to the cocoa and grind top. Now we have to go begging them. Because Oman to cocoa now in India day. In India day. So, and then the gold no so share assassination.
And also here.
Yeah, here gold. 1 million metric tons of cocoa no your ton yenya sen. Fancy $2 billion. And then 1 kilogram of gold keke about $50,000. As on mine, it is yet to me to put your things together. Regulation as some of the Biameme. The same way I regulate the cocoa industry. Money now come to a center. My yenya bibi a film as on mine. No. It is a regulatory gold mining industry no so ye. And now would I mean 1 million metric tons of cra. You even 500,000 kilograms of gold at the back here see the year. Kenny Yasitimuni.
When I met on the Abba.
Yasitimuni, British pound. British, they're not British for. And you go down on British yard, back on British pound, British pound, yeah, British pound.
Penny frame was this say, Omu gold bars, I want them, you TV so much.
Exactly. Meanwhile, only one Galam say petty community.
But Roma load gold bars, or you more microphone.
And I yet who they think I drain it by a crown after President Kufuor time and now $1 bail equal to 1 AE. And now you to me regulate as a nation say, okay, the same way I did Nyako Coco, so you know, Yemi and you gold mining so Nanka mine didn't get involved, and you want just 500,000 kilograms of gold, and they back here $1. You see the year. Okay. And then you just mine and as if say now the Newmonts and the Anglo Golds and the Goldfields and the rest, every to gold no they call. What is Obiaka say gold no Charlie Bauer we won't tell them to that. And we sitting here. Resource no home resource be able to me Yahana in the year. Now my young puntu akoyeno. We are all singing hallelujah, crucify the young, crucify the young, crucify them. Ewa bra, what is gold in itself, unlike we in other things, yeah, illegal gold in itself and yet illegal commodity. Name the how acquire year fast with year tuno, keke, and then can somebody think outside the box? No young who can be as a man, you're between the tree of gold, no. I so fast more than the oils and the cocoa and what have you now you to know. It's because you're done anyhow, it's not boys you to know anyhow. We do you know. We do you know. And now say yeah, NCA said now okay. NCA for whom say some radio or TV stations be yen you may be a MWA or Maino. Did they shut down all the media space? No. On my surgical operation, NCA, any national security and whatever, let me identify precisely those stations are any licenses, and I say, content no, MWA or my council, and I deal with them, which I support. What is stopping us from identifying my illegal mining from the legal ones? Now you deal with the illegal ones. Now you're bossing them together. And now man see here at the Ghana newspaper be a friend of graphic. Me boy. So money be a friend of Ghana. What is wrong? What is wrong? Small scale miners you ho, and illegal ones now no na gram see no so ho. I see to me deal with that one. Me problem crime yet dealing with even say illegal ones. We feel the way out. They say, as of mine, we need the gold. As it to me, harness in the year. Gold production, you bring Dr. Baumia, Vice President, call a biomechanic, say, UAE and Dubai, and say, gold, if you can call it's about 5 billion, something illegal ones. I find Chango.
But as my mentor, dear Brana, Megidi say, me ba Dr. Semeba, Naya say, a one fee, a one could hear say, nipa share them no my junior more mine one because baby I can corner a young quack so be a head or pay basa na society be a tessa be answer so yeah no more can chrono a day a dear na makofa way in idea whether political party your health sector why in the junior more mine ama so to me about gold in here assassin here yen so here. Nanso so yese ye ntwan ansa adentia mame nton ade mra me kai wo se Franco Trading Enterprise wo phone sa ode e ma wo papa F4 ya no akopɛ bi ato Samsung Nokia afi iPhones ahodo on sa wo TV smart TV ya brand no Franco 32 to 55 inches tabletop fridges and so Franco 4 will be on some country so we to online esan say nipa dodo no aba shop ya na ene ya corona breast no ya den to online now see and deliver ma be deliver ma we are na Jessica and kotua sika mfa ma obia Franco ya 0246 422338 na oni wo mo edin komo spices there pa no apɛ natural one herbs and spices ebeboa ama ahoden akoso sankofa na mekamfo de ama weekend you kokroma akopɛ spices atɔ no akai sɛ sasruwisa efomwisa nketenkete prekese akakadru ni sa niema no ye obi wo hɔ a ye ton a ya to din sɛ sankofa no kreni yamfa bibia mfrafra preservatives bia nim color bia mfra afi yamfa nkyene ana bibia mfra ye na meka tro say better far better from ni abrofo no aye ya de yansa hyehyase no ne yato aguso no nti ofre nso na opedodo atu akoton asankofa ne bebro bi 0555 60 3153 0555 60 3153 now no mo akwakodi nkomo ne eboa ye nei se nipadua ahoden be kosoro haban a yatwetwe mu nsuo ebi ene se wonya haban ano eden a ahoden wom na de garlic fra ya na bo nipadua no pa anti na Antec Herbal Center for akofa Spanish garlic mixture de aba na ya ekrom haban ene garlic yi no makeka bo matwe mu nsuo a ebeboa ama wo kasa nka wom kakra ohumi nka wom wofu a echeko na ase atata ne sa ne ma ne nyina atumi afiri ho na emoja no nso adi mu afurusane ye ya ma we mfidi ne friend Spanish garlic mixture okọ kan issue drug lane na na bo achi ho na me ya hodo eton ra ye no so kwa sabe kan wo 0266 114111 je be bro bi na wato ne se ya na ehia se okọ akoto ade a na wa hwe se bi a bibi kakra betumi aba ho ama aboa wa oto ade na se onya bibi ka ho na ode koche obi kura nso a eno nso boa anti-standing fan, mobile phones, electric iron, kettle, rice cooker. We no me near mass, so far at the auto idea ewo Kings F4 near mouse scratch card or scratch here. Sani mama bubu din scratch card be at the mama be a ebi ewo so. Na ya boa ama on so to me akoche obi ade. Christmas in money a shasi. I know the now ta na wapeja ba ko dia kan say the scratch card na banti. And ye hu ya ne so man for no ba obia fa bia na flat screen na ade krono a obia pe mobile phone na enema aka no say de ya na say ye be chew ade ne mom no scratch card so na obefa de free to scratch ade also na wafa 0200 421 004 0200 421 004 no mo ofanko barrier omo be police station no abeka free pipe junction sabe kan wa masama so universal filling station na afin some for total and afin mobile filling station okoho nti mo amonsa mo na mo ahye nso de amame na chese bibia aye kama router for semen kai wo say malaria a router typhoid a router na afin so pese otrimi onipadua no na hoden bem na boost immune system nso a router edin no a router na router natural product company for semen kai wo say onya bibiduro no enam say router na wo hye ase say wonom na say malaria obedi ho adanse ensese wo nipadua ne ya biaye ayare mo abetumi abetena na otwumi enu bia malaria na ba osumi bia na obo wa no onya router mixture ebetu ase ma no nye wodura da bia e kan wo ma mo typhoid nso no ahye nso router titanic ono mu konya na yo test obo hu se ekofom kra na etu e de afiri wo ya afre 0244 503 443 0244 503 443 na wahye nso de amame me kai wo se ene Greenfield Scientific Herbal Center for de enuane nuro ahodo aba na ne se bibiduro e no modem ma bi yan ya bibiduro ye hu ne se aduane preko pesa na Greenfields for hu no na ansa na no mo se woni problem a ye mpe solution nti omo dietitian o ha oba obi a ye be kire oni akwa obedi but ye be pese ye be hwe oni padua no mu ansa na se yare wo ma ya ma bibiduro no ahye no nso yare timi bata ma bi e wani na ho nso nti ye de ambulance service nso aba ya sa ofre en 24/7 a ye wo mo anim e wonim de e wo yaresa ho ye ba nyina ne odi nkomo na ambulance na ba abefa wo se wo se de ko ba bi emmo bi wo se de bo bi ane de abo no ngwa adogon last stop ese junction ho na Greenfields for ewo ono mo di nkomo a ebeboa the number no so to ho ebeboa 0243983906 0243983906 and 0261651898 doctor say I mean you kakra ansana ya ko yanim mo na mo kyerɛ de ye kan me nneɛma hodo a mo kyerɛ ene nkwadaa ne pie no ya na ewo bi adwenem sɛ ye kɔ ye kofa kwan foforo so ama ye kuro no asesa na nneɛma dada no ana wo mu a odi pie na no na mogu so a ye nyina ye kɔ
yo bedase enye sɛ nneɛma dada na yɛda so ɛkyerɛ nneɛmom no yɛkyerɛ sɛ nipa no nso ɛbɛsesa n'adwen mu anaasɛ sɛnea ɔdwen ɛfa no ɛbɛsesa sɛ wobɛwie school no na wanya nimdeɛ a sɛnea first na bi a wofa ɛyɛ nneɛma na ɛnkɔ nkan no na wahu kwan foforɔ a wobɛfa so a wobɛyɛ afei no ɛbɛtumi akɔ nkan ama wo enti no saa enteteɛ no na yɛde ma mmɔfra no yɛfrɛ bi critical thinking sɛ wobɛ challenge mmɔfra no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔmo bɛtumi adwen sɛ bi a ɔhu biribi koraa sei a we often tell them sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛnea wohu no no saa na ebia nɛteɛ but ehia sɛ wobɛdwen akɔakyire na wate ade na se nsa na wayɛ den approach ya find solutions to it enti no yɛkyerɛ mo kwa bɛfa so nso asolve problems na sɛnea honorable kan no we need thinkers if it's me boss bia me ni adwuma okɔ anim o se on the on problems or solutions
okay
enti no ba me complain problem kwa na wo no solution ben anything here can be so never fast so and no and me
he's right so on person be dwena ma wo ese se wo anso ba no na
wo anso ba no you come with some ideas kwan ya be fast so be solve sa problem no say adwuma no say ne ye no enkoye nke ne san ya na nke beboa so we find alternative solutions na eno na em say o my do e bia na ya ka echi kakra ɛwɔ hɔ no mu na afei sɛnea ɛdi kaka no in discipline no so no adɔso nti obiara yɛ nea ɔpɛ it's like meyɛ wei kramfo obiara ho neɛ mpɛ na mɛyɛ obiara ntumi nka Ghana so deɛ ɛsɛ a na akɔyɛ sɛ to whom you know menim panin bi ntumi nya asɛm ka mefrɛ panin na yɛbɛyɛ dɛn yɛbɛma me akɔ and all this ɛma saa in discipline no ɛkɔ soro na afei nso no we don't think to find solutions to our problems. Saa galamsey yi ene water bodies yi ene afforestation yen forester ese ne yenuane a ese ni nyina no. E wo say hu se kwan ben me mfisa sha nhihye ne wo say ye de to kwan ben ne be fa so a e betumi eyi sa ohaw nyina no efri ho no mu. Say yeah, to me, I am market area. Be say I had the say any obey no. I have so be uncle Hanumu and answer saying. Send your bayer, yan so ye be bo yan sass in a home buying. Now I feel so raw materials now are being a decono. Dear boy and baby, we should add value to it. By a share of a share galamsey problem, no, the course, a fun every unemployment too. Ranche ni maba wa omunye adwuma ye no se ono so pe ba bi a
adwuma ewo ho but kwan ye fa so aye
kwan ye fa so ye no on se sia no kwan na ye fa se obi come do anu ani abrew enti no ni obi a ne se obenya bibi a so benya ebema bibi aye den akwa no enti who are the regulators gen regulation no weak and I make us say obi ni mobi enti no obi anye no kwampa so kwa na emra koso ni mu a ofa afon a hwehwe ni eja no na kwetewete sam na nkosi baabi a enti no saa ye de saa esu no so etoa so kwa emwa yen ɛwɔ sɛ yɛma mmara ɛyɛ adwuma nsuo no da hɔ nom a meters dodoɔ sɛn ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ wobɛ allow a wonkɔ ho sɛnea ansa woatu ayi no yɛdi so anaa enti ɛwɔ sɛ mmara no yɛ adwuma na mmara no ɛnyɛ adwuma deɛ a ɛneɛ da bia ɛbɛkasa saa ɛnya deɛ ɛbɛkɔ yɛ anim.
Meda say one or two messages na yɛntoa so. This is coming from Yawopon to the Honorable Benaye. Lawyer Yawopon. He says, whilst I agree that we need to engage in critical thinking, I do not agree that we don't have thinkers. The speaker, Benaye, just gave an example of how some people engage in critical thinking to solve the Fulani menace. I think continuously saying that we don't have thinkers doesn't incentivize people not to engage in the act of critical thinking, according to Yawopon. No, but once
honestly me that I say man capture ni e bia me capture say dey all can kebebo man capture ni lawyer das.
Solomon Kwe says, regards to my honorable panelists, I am enjoying your discussion, but my take on these issues is that our current arrangement in governance, where one political party will think outside the box, bring new innovation, and then another party who only think about winning the political power only come and then turn everything upside down, taking us back square one. Countries that has developed have one visionary leader under one party ruling for years to push that vision forward, just like Singapore and the rest. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo vision of Ghana beyond aid will die the day he leaves office. So until we make another arrangement of governance, we will continue to do what is called one step forward, another step backwards. Solomon Kwe ena ede we ede ebai. Echo Thomas, your message, and he says, I'm impressed with the good job the minister has just begun. He's referring to the Greater Accra Regional Minister. We need such individuals to help the president bring to bear his vision of Accra being the cleanest city in Africa. It's possible. Nana, please stay focused. Ghanaians are solidly behind you and your government. Echo Thomas, Katamanso, and Odi we ebai. Ora Benaye.
Yes, sir.
Institutions near you, my dear showman, sir. The free throw eba form. NCA, one of my Road Safety Commission, Yankwala Yanam Kwansui, Onenan and Amkwanwi, Galamsa Yitu, Babia Yakan was in Biano, an institution being sa. I say, Oshe na embra de yejuman and I said, okay, as a country and me regulate Yesika Semuna MY, but she will be inside. And discipline I drew Hana.
Yo, me that say once again, me not like your point say or capture in your mommy.
Yeah.
So if me man can require say me provoke people with that critical thinking no out no more take the front burner. Now say the front is now. So be it, the results now may be very bad. Because look, where it said you're okay, institution, most of them are mere managers. And not leaders. Because they are the idea national. What we need is leadership. And not just managers. On corner to office, said the make a natural resource mentality. How on earth? And for example, Kumasi came a boss, and I am a boss. But now I a common fan in my intino, not to her yet. Or to her air train day. Why should he take regional minister, for example,
to come to Medina? To
come to Medina now, when maybe we have a DC in that area.
MCU.
You know, he's there. People are not really understanding Nanado, that's the president. Ghana beyond aid. Ghana beyond aid mentality, no concept, no. It looks as I was a president. we should sell that and the implications.
The idea behind it now,
Yes.
Now I was expecting Senka omo ede near found in Yabema universities no just to young and your course na in United 20 years about the way and they are to them. Yeah, they are no neck.
Yeah, they are sure being sad. The person is being paid every month. The results in my corner. Once he gets his pay and not in the language, so be it. When we otherwise, to me buy into that concept. Near Tiasia pa massa. A cowboy says, I appoint you. Be political appointment, and now you technocrats, I say GC, that GC, G as Director General, whatever. Or now one, fancy war island, so on your bophobia. It will trauma Kumoku. Over trauma Kumoku, and I mean, because we are behaving like Port Rakuko. On the idea about 12 years, you might see a about an opie, a bro, he doesn't care. Okay. Sana, that mentality now, many Kofubi appointees be not just political, because I'm a politician, do I have if say make a political appointees in Guam. But it cuts across. It cuts across. You do a quack as a manager or as a director, and I will and I will complain. Then where's your leadership? It is a better Ghana beyond a concept. Nasi ye pa na. Near who say ye per se fabra within or small space, So now ye Oman FM and as a Ken City director, bring it within that way, So with that way, you have more. Then I may. What is the way forward? Se Ghana nete island bisu to say Libya. And a natural issue flow for baby. I mean, I'm a water resource commission or whatever manager. It can see you never free.
You're very important.
Robin, leadership.
This challenge,
Leadership. Are they born and I say, yeah, Titi will be no leader.
A mix.
Okay.
A mix.
Okay.
So. You're a man naturally, a creative, or he thinks outside the box, or follow just the natural because he need to be, hey, you Galamsey, non with TMB, young Galamsey, dear friend Galamsey. You will be on the question that the status quo. And you will be so, it's yeah.
Okay.
And the BIA can say, yes, when I'm Yada Roma, you're different answer. Any school answer and I'm mixing. Yeah, you're far ahead of this Latogin children. Okay, come on, but what's that?
If you answer,
then I'm a man of two answers. Some actually no more a betray, no more yet, sir. The broth of grandmother read and I said, the chin granny can say, what can you interview, or provoke what dream, after Christ, Rabbi, he taught a lot in parables. Yes. Do a kind of parables now was all my was soon and your day. It's almost when it's why we are getting down so when it's womb. It's a brasso. Say leadership. Any level be out find yourself. Challenge yourself. Some aspect of the Ghana beyond aid. Ken City without aid. GES without aid, this, that without then I may. Then I may have many solutions. We are head of institution, Ghana museums and why. Ubekona ne budget in Maya, not just a wakao, only egu. You are not thinking outside the box. You are not challenging yourself. You are not taking your institution. This institution beyond aid. And then I met me resources. What do I need? Leadership. What is what I'm calling for? Not just managers.
Okay.
Management doesn't be with my. I mean, it's a phone in gas. I mean, me fuck. Get your memo. Now, every year, they are now 500,000 in school.
Yes.
all because if you see niska.
Yes. The key word is
accommodation.
Yes.
Obi anua who say, hey, yet your man every year be ankwara 500,000 a school dropout. That's even from the basic level. For the next 10 years, we're talking about 5 million ankwara. The security implications will be anua who 10 years ago. I'm Robert Bofia now officer abandoned current abandoned years 10 years ago. Sankwara and will be the free SHS by 10 years ago. But now, now investors and also movie investors. Now we'll be by again thinking outside the box. No. Your man credit in Uncle School. Yes, we now buy enrollment now day. A shoot track up overnight. A here do mofa. We ordinary manager. And I'm gonna 100 the good now back and I then your beno. Again, credit to Napone Edition. Put your head together. I'm seeing a Imra. For example,
double track. Yeah, they buy those with that vision. We are any man and you not on up to baby and really pimp. Hey, enough of them chronic school, no more red, gold, green, Ukrainian. Why it was a short gap. Yes.
So, yes, this was them credit now by personal. Achimota, now coach me for 1,005. You bet me for 3,000. It be encore this school, a better school mono, or Mama Quano, the next shift from that. Now, and the same Achimotano, a year enrollment of about 3,000. Yeah, who did that? And gradually, it's becoming a thing of the past. Yeah. COVID, come by. Hey, yes, the man Quran school, no. Hey, Kukum Yamba, Mekai, is it a cry high? Was a baby. Yes, I only guess you're not parents. It's natural as a parent, no, young Bessie show now, but home.
Yes, you panic.
See, this uncle for next year. In Korea, a coach from exams last a year. Cafe, maybe I've been a GB school, Mako. Obi show leadership. So, even in the midst of all these difficulties, there's a way out. I bet my man and I day. I go school. Na life akoso se ka se be di masses na chia ke ye twen ama covid ni na abrasi ana se twem ansa na nka ye BB schools na dia dia na. These are the people we should be looking for, challenging them. Na ye ma task resource oriented positions. See ye do koshe this area ye ma target bi na monitoring and evaluation for you so any effective. Yen Cassia do akoshe if I say cocoa board. Now chief executive. Near do ako 2 years we not the old way of doing cocoa. You have no business being there. That is a pay anyway. Ya can our chance of you pay. No, but you don't now we behaving like the honorable Edu. You could see new things. Or adding or build on the know before now. These are the people we're looking for.
But I say when I
extending to every sector beyond and challenging those we are appointing there. What difference?
Isa Ayuba UK on the year Nasara coordinator. You can see how all what Benaya is saying is very true. My take on the negative effect on our country is the legacy of PNDC and DC. We are very lucky. President Kufuor came in 2001 to 2008. Inshiraba says His Excellency the President NPP has done very well and deserves to be supported by the good people of Ghana to do more for our country. Labaran Yakubu, good morning. This one is coming from Inshiraba Anelka. Auntie Ruby. And he says, happy birthday to Rena Augusta Helden Quay. And they all celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to you. And it's coming from Enoch Helden Quay. Or we show well, 24th day of April 2021. And Nyame Ayo Aduma will celebrate your birthday. Robin, but that's all bye. Doc. Also, Sekuya says Benaya is saying the truth. Thinking outside the box is what is needed. what Abu Jinapo is doing is also good. Let's see how it goes. Jifa Baku ena ehwe production no ede emaye. Afe Solomon Sasumensa Gordon Asarbedi Akonslas Ntiabo Aji Osaberema Focus Edubofo Ejekum Safu onmo eboy emaye de dwumadie no de ebro na akoye fia de nyame admon Monday be hia badansa no Apostle Safo School of Art and Sciences class 4 and when you're 9 years happy birthday to you we Ifri dad Pastor Dako Udi Edinana Ajwa Safo happy birthday to you. Midin Edia Amfabo Nyame admon Monday be hia ekro